If your OnePlus 13 feels like it's ignoring you, it's time for a quick fix. First, restart your phone. It sounds basic, but it often works. Next, clean your screen with a dry microfiber cloth. Dirt and debris can mess with touch sensitivity. Remove any screen protectors. Sometimes they interfere with touch functions. Check for visible screen damage. Cracks can cause touch issues. Now head to your settings. Make sure your software is up to date. Updates can fix many bugs. Adjust touch sensitivity in your settings too. Sometimes a tweak can make a big difference. Disable any recently installed apps. They might be causing conflicts. Still having trouble? Restart in safe mode to rule out third-party apps. If all else fails, consider a factory reset. Just remember to back up your data first, and if you're still stuck, contact OnePlus support. They're there to help. Bonus tips: keep your fingers dry and avoid extreme temperatures. And if you use a phone case, try removing it. That's it. Your OnePlus 13 should be responsive again.